2022 is the year of passive income. How are you going to earn money next year? A buddy and I discussed something important the other day. We don't normally talk about these kinds of things as our conversations are sillier, but we both agreed on something. We wanted to level up in 2022. And the best way to do that, we thought. Creating passive income. We both work already. He's a college tutor and I write on Medium. They're side hustles right now, but in order to level up, we need passive income. But what is it, you ask? Passive income is where you make money for something you've done once so you have time to pursue other hobbies and jobs. Celebrities and business people have multiple streams of passive income. Anymore, many other people can too. My buddy and discussed the ways in which we can do so too. In conversation, I brought up my favorite quote. Billionaire Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." There's no doubt about that. I know you want to quit your 9 to 5, or at least have another stream of income. Here are ways you can earn passive income in 2022. Medium Partnership Program. I didn't know this when I first began on the platform in February 2021, but Medium is passive income. There's no other way around it. You publish an article behind the Medium Partner paywall and let it sit there, marinate if you will. The more you do this, the more your stories earn money each day while you're doing something else. They even earn you money while you sleep. It takes a long time to reach a level where many of your stories earn something each month. It takes even longer for one story to carry you in a given month. I'm always amazed that stories I wrote a long time ago or once as I forgot I wrote continue to make money months after I published them. But they're valuable, and people want to read them. Thus, they're earning passive income. Nevertheless, while Medium is the platform to earn passive income, it's also the platform to build yourself as a writer. You meet other writers. You read other work similar to yours. You gain a following of your own. You earn money doing it. If you stay with Medium long enough, you can earn a good amount of passive income. It doesn't take too long to write a 500-word article. Do this at least once every day, post them, and see what happens. Medium may just be your new side hustle. Writing an ebook and paperback. I discovered how to do this through Medium. As an aspiring writer or one who has been around for a while, you would think it's difficult to publish your first book. Think again. Anymore, you can write an ebook and paperback and find success with it. It can be either fiction or non-fiction. All the while, it makes you passive income. You can do this through Kindle Direct Publishing on Amazon. Simply write your book with at least 15 pages, send it into Amazon for review, and writing 1 to 3 days, you're published. There's a whole process that goes into this, but once you do it, the money begins to rake in. It's unbelievable passive income. When I published my first book in March 2021 through KDP, I earned a great amount in the beginning stages. Since then, it's made money here and there. In other words, it's earned passive income. There are writers in the world right now who do this for a living, that this earned more money than their regular job. It's a great source of passive income. Become a YouTuber. I used to find it funny when folks said they want to be a YouTuber. Nowadays, I'm right there along with them. No, I haven't began make content yet, but I support all of the ones who do. When you become a part of the YouTube Partnership Program, you can start making videos and monetizing them. You could do all sorts of things like vlogging, unboxing, Goodwill or garage sale haul, and so much more. Just like with ebooks, there are people in the world who do this for a living. It takes time to reach that level, but in the process, it is all passive income. You can make videos about anything just like writing books and Medium articles about anything too. It's all up to you. Other passive income ideas. There are more ways to earn passive income than those I told you about. Others include Amazon FBA, drop shipping, print-on-demand t-shirt shop, e-course, rent out a room in your house, e-commerce store, start a podcast, and so much more. 2022 is going to be the year for passive income. For all of us. These are just some of the ways you can take your first step. Are you ready for passive income?